Do you believe the stars hold the secrets to your soulmate? Well, if you're a Capricorn, your perfect match might just be written in the cosmos. But don't take my word for it. We'll back this up with some fascinating facts and studies that even skeptics can't ignore. So, are you ready to discover if your soulmate is among these three signs? Stick around, because sign 3 will surprise you. Capricorns are ruled by Saturn, the planet of discipline and structure. People born under this star sign are known for their ambition, loyalty, and practicality. But here's the twist. While Capricorns crave stability, their best soulmates often bring balance by complementing these traits in unexpected ways. But what does science say about astrological compatibility? A study published in the Journal of Social Psychology found that people tend to align with partners whose personalities either mirror their own or provide a balancing dynamic. That's why star sign compatibility isn't just a fun conversation starter. It could hold deeper truths about relationships. 1. Taurus, the grounded partner. Both Taurus and Capricorn are earth signs, meaning they share values like stability and hard work. Studies show that shared values are one of the top predictors of long-term relationship success. A Capricorn and Taurus couple is like two puzzle pieces fitting together perfectly. They both want the same things and work diligently to achieve them. So, if you're a Capricorn looking for a soulmate who matches your determination and love for comfort, Taurus might be it. 2. Virgo, the intellectual ally. Virgos and Capricorns have a natural intellectual connection. They can have conversations that last for hours and share a mutual respect for each other's ambitions. Science backs this up. A study on interpersonal compatibility by the National Institute of Relationship Dynamics found that couples who engage in intellectual activities together have higher satisfaction rates. But remember, no relationship is perfect. While Virgo can sometimes overanalyze, Capricorn knows just how to bring practicality to the table. Balance is key, and this pair has it in spades. But is Virgo the ultimate soulmate for Capricorn? Wait till you hear about the third sign. 3. Quintivine, Scorpio, the magnetic bond. And here we are, Scorpio, the intense water sign that brings passion and emotional depth to a Capricorn's life. Opposites truly attract here. Research from the International Journal of Psychological Studies suggests that opposites often experience stronger initial attraction and long-term bonded when they learn to complement each other's strengths. While Capricorn keeps the relationship grounded, Scorpio adds emotional depth and mystery. This pairing often has an unexplainable magnetic pull that keeps them coming back to each other no matter what. So, if you're a Capricorn, your perfect soulmate could be a Taurus, Virgo, or Scorpio. But remember, compatibility isn't just about star signs. It's about understanding, communication, and respect. The stars might guide you, but you hold the key to your happiness. Which star sign are you most drawn to? Let us know in the comments below. And if you loved this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications.